You crazy for this one, Rick? In this bitch. Said I'm a killer. Get up on the beat and count the cash up on the ass, and then the bitch tell me I'm unique. Now hit the street and make a ton of fucking funds, nigga. I'm on that bitch with a gun, having the hella fun. My eyes hella low. I'm on that skunkin' dro. I'm blowing shit up out my lungs, that'll take your soul. I'm in the game code. I got the cheat code. Not no written shit, but you can come and peep though. I'm Southern living mode. I'm in the mash mode. I'm in the game code. I'm massing, I take your hoe. Chop that shit up, I'm a screwed up nigga. Fuck it, I'm in the motherfucking south holding the trigger. That bitch is all grown. Me and my niggas ride out in the fucking zone. They got the 410 and the deuce. And if I hear a bitch go off, then that lion's on the loose. I'm a Leo, no refuse. No time to refuse. The situation's out of the cause. If I demonstrate it, then you lost applause. The motherfucking king. As I get on the beat so raw, nigga, I ain't spitting nothing written. This off my mind, like if you kidding, nigga. Now come and take a look. I'm never quitting, nigga. I'm never stalling. This situation's about cash, so move the world around and fuck these niggas, dog. I'm underground. Come and find me like a groundhog. The movement's in it. I'm saying the first album's gonna be called The Fucking Movement. I'm in this hole like these niggas turn my dick hard. I mean these bitches turn my dick hard. Dustin nigga makes my dick hard. Cause I took a soul like I sent a nigga to see God. I'm crazy in this hole like I'm in Pete. What I'm on? I'm in the fucking scene like King Kong. I'm Godzilla on the fucking throne. I'm in China, better yet we call it Tokyo. I ravage up the city like I'm on the hella ghost. I mean on the hella cloud of smoke. My nigga name Casper the Ghost. I mean Casper. I put the ghost up in there, don't even ask him. Cause if you do something like that, you could even get in a fucking tragic position. My nigga, I'm a cold ass killer. I let you know for real, this a freestyle flow. Like the nigga too cold, and I move elbows, and my mind so low, and the truck is so throw. All my niggas in this bitch riding out like we throw. 235, that's what it says up on it. Where I looked and I ain't stalling, boy. Where the fuck my wallet? Call me on the phone, the house she never fucking stalling. I'm headed to the house for the pussy, now it's jogging. It's too fucking wet, so I'm swimming and I'm breathing. I catch my breath, come up in any motherfucking season. Ah, nah, you know what I'm saying, nigga? That's freestyle, nigga. I don't write nothing around here, bro.